Okay, so this is how to make the water slide using the the coil tool. So start a new part. Make my mouse a little bigger for you. And we're going to say start 2D sketch. I'm going to click the XY plane. I'm going to draw a line right in the middle here. Now I don't absolutely have to do this, it's just nice to have a reference point. And then over here on the polygon, sorry, it'll be the rectangle tool when you first open Inventor. Rectangle tool, come down, and I'm going to use the 3-point arc. I'm going to draw an arc right here, and I'm going to make this as realistic as I can. So to make a water slide, I'm going to say that its diameter is like 48 inches, maybe. And then I'll come down here and make this inside arc. Let's make that again 48. Or no, it should be 24 inches. Whoa, that was almost not right. Okay. And I'm going to make the walls of the slide about 1 inch or so. And right click and click OK. I'm going to move the center mark of this over. So I can use my dimension tool and reference the center here. And I'm going to make it a 72-inch radius so that it's got a 12-foot diameter, so it's going to be pretty wide. Okay, so I've got that. I'll click Finish Sketch. So I've got a line and a profile or a section view of the slide. So I'm going to say Coil right here. I'm going to click this as my center mark or my axis, and it's going to start coiling that slide around. So there's three different endpoints we need to put. So the pitch is how far does it raise each time it revolves. And because I'm making a water slide, I want it to be pretty steep. So let's say like 6 feet. Well, let's maybe try more. Let's try. 6 feet is 72 inches. Sorry, 72 inches. And then you can see it's starting to make a coil here. I can make the revolution, so how many times it spins around. I can control that here, so let's say like 5. Let's do less than, let's do 3. That's a little smaller. And then taper is pretty cool. If it's a 0-degree taper, it will stay the same diameter all the way through. If it's a positive one, it'll get wider as it goes up. So this makes it wider on the top. If I use a negative one, so like -10, it'll start small and then get wider as you go down. So just for kicks, I'm gonna try the negative one and say OK. So that looks like that. Looks like a kind of a pasta noodle sort of an idea here, but that would make a pretty awesome water slide that gets wider as you go farther down. Yeah, it's a pretty cool slide. So I'm going to change the material. Let's try and make it like gold. It's a yellowish slide. Cool, like that. Once you got that, you can take a screenshot, submit it, and you are good to go.